Hi guys, welcome back to the Command 66-Day Challenge Marketing Mini-Series. Over the next few days, we are going to talk about your consumer app and being in front of consumers, whether it is your database or whether it is leads that come into your database. And hopefully you guys will realize that there is a lot of strategy behind this powerful app. That is my goal over the next few days. Today, I want to show you something that I was surprised in my own offices, how many agents weren't familiar with this tool. So today I am just going to show you a quick and easy way to share your app that wasn't previously available to us before the Command app was released. So I am in Command on my app. So if you go to the App Store and look up KW Command, you can download that. It is a red square with a white KW. And then once you're logged in, you have the same credentials that you have for your desktop, which is agent.kw.com. So once I'm in here, this is my dashboard. What we're going to spend time on today is just in the contacts. These contacts mirror your database in Command. So all of your contacts, and then you'll notice up at the top, I have 231. The difference between my contacts and all is my leads. So leads plus contacts equals all. Once I'm in all, I just want to show you an easy way to share this and market your consumer app. So if I go click on any contact, this is the contact card. And then if I go click on the three dots up at the top, there's an option to share my KW app link. So I'm going to go click that. I can send this if I have Twilio. I can send it using my Twilio messaging. I can also just use it through sending through my device. If I go click my device, it creates the text message. Hi, this is Kimber Walton. Here's a link to download my KW app for a personalized search experience. Here's the link. Previously, before we had this quick button option, we would have to share it through our consumer app, which the messaging wasn't curated as coming from the agent. And also we just had our app link. So we had to copy it, create messaging, put it in there. Now you can go click on anybody in your database, even if they're not in your phone yet. Click those three buttons and you are back and able to share this really quickly with people. So what's cool too is that now once I've sent that, it says, would you like to add this text to Cody's timeline? And I say yes, and I can put shared app. So I can record this as an activity, and now in the timeline, it will show that there was correspondence with me and Cody. Because you'll notice up at the top, it says I haven't contacted him for 19 days. Once this refreshes, it will now show that I contacted him today. So join us tomorrow over the next couple of days. We're going to deep dive into how you can use smart views and tags specifically to realize who you still need to get your app in front of. Also, the opportunity that you have once your database has your app. It's a pretty powerful tool as far as assessing people's interest level, assessing where they're at in the home search process. And so I want you guys to have all of that knowledge so that you can drive this more and more. And we will see you tomorrow.